Good evening, everyone. It is raining. It has been raining since last night. My dear, can you hear the sound of rain? Yes, dear. I really want to know, do you like this type of drizzling evening, or do you like this type of drizzling day? And my dear, I really want to know which type of work do you like to do under this drizzling or cats and dog weather. Basically, literally, I like to read book and listen soft music under this weather, under this drizzling evening and drizzling weather. Yeah, my dear, it is perfect time to read novel. It is perfect time to read any kinds of books. I really like to read book under this weather. Yeah, dear, look over there. The road becomes a small hole due to it is cats and dog. That's why the environment becomes totally calm, soft. Look over here, one man is going towards the mosque to getting to get iftar. And look over there, the sky covered by clouds. Wow, it is really incredible, wonderful, mesmerizing weather. I i record this video to keep my memory and to share with you this weather. Yeah, my dear, it is high time to start read book. So I would like to um, finish my video because I have to go my room and then I have to read book. Basically, I like to read Bangla novel, Bangla literacy. So could you please uh, tell me which type of books do you like to read? So guys, bye.